Hi, so I want to show you how a car brake hose works. I've just changed one on my car because from repeated bending like this outer plastic jacket got broken, and I thought it was a problem, but actually it's not really a big problem because as you can see under this there are two layers of this thing. It actually looks like a braided fabric, but it's some plastic fabric, and it's made by two layers. Let me see if I can show you. So it's one layer and underneath another one, so it's two of these layers. They make also this braided steel with steel instead of this plastic, but I was wondering whether it's worth it, but I heard it's just for racing, and it's almost no difference in normal driving. And then now I can totally agree, because this one doesn't expand almost at all. I don't know, maybe in extreme pressures. Okay, and under this, you see, it's a small rubber hose, this one, so the actual fluid goes through this one. Over this it has these two layers interwoven plastic fabric, so it doesn't expand. Well, this one it's quite sturdy. If you push it on the mouth here it moves, but otherwise a bit under it's very hard. It has this outer plastic rubber, so it protects even more. Okay, this is how it looks in section. All these things are just, so you see this one usually gets into some support on metal, fixed on the metal parts of the car. Okay, and at the ends you have this one, it's M10, so it's a 10 millimeter screw. Just make sure that this is the step. Normally if you go and buy a M10 screw from the hardware store, it will have 1.5 the step. This one is called the fine step M10, and it's 1 millimeter. And see, this one can screw. Normally this one goes into your caliper, and here it's where the brake line connects, the metal one. So if you are wondering like me what's inside one of these, so it's just one of these. In the ends they're just crimped. Like this. This is the inside, and I'm not sure if all cars use the same thread here, but mine on a Fiat Punto it's M10 with 1 millimeter spacing on the thread, also called fine thread. And you see this is a bit tapered. Alright, hope you found this enlightening in a way, if you're wondering how this works. If you wanna see more videos, like and subscribe.